Hi guys, it's Jin Young, and today I'm going to talk about homework 36, number 5. We went over this problem in class together, but a lot of you didn't get it, so I'm just going to talk about this problem today. I didn't write the question, but I guess you have the homework with you. Might, or whatever. So, yeah. Let's read the question first, as we always do. Two of the vertices of a rectangle are 1 and minus 6 and minus 8 and minus 6. So by this we can know that the two vertices are collinear. Or they told us that it was a rectangle, so anyways. If the rectangle has a perimeter of 26 units, what are the coordinates of its other two vertices? So why don't we plot the coordinates first, the ones we already have. So it told us that 1 was 1 and minus 6, so 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And the other one was minus 8 and minus 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the same place. Yeah. So what we can infer from this is that they're on one line, and it said that this was a vertex of a rectangle. So how many units is this? So we learned about rational numbers, and though this doesn't really has anything to do, but like integers, positive and negative numbers. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use that. So this point is minus 8 and minus 6. This one here is 1 and minus 6. So this here is minus 8. This here is minus 6, and this here is 1. Oh, and the maybe not the most important, but important thing is that this is the origin. We don't write origin, but write O. And it's not 0. It may look like a 0, but it's not 0. But the origin, just remember, it's 0 and 0. The y and the x is both 0, yeah? So, yeah, let's continue on. So, this was minus 8. So, the distance from here to here should be 8. Yeah. So, why should this be 8? Because if you don't get it, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But that's kind of first grade-ish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use absolute value. So we all know that the absolute value is when you put these. It's not 1 minus 81, though it might look like that. So to get rid of confusion, I'll do this. Okay, so that is absolute value. And so the absolute value of minus 8 is 8. Absolute value, just to clarify, is the distance from the number to 0. So absolute value of minus 8, it literally means the distance from here to here. Yeah. So you have to find the distance here, and then here's one really interesting thing. Absolute value, to find it, you don't really need to do anything. Just get rid of this annoying operator, okay? So then if you get rid of this, boom, boom, get A. Yay. It's always like that. It's not only for this one, it's always like that. And why am I blabbing so much today? Anyway, so let's erase all this. And so we found out that the distance from in here to here, the origin, we just said that was was 8, yeah? So this is 8, and you all know this. It's the same thing. It's absolute value minus 1. But then this is 1, this is 1. So distance from here to here, not the origin, 1. Here to here is what? This plus this equals 9. Yeah? So the length of this line, or should I say vertex, is 9 units. It's not 9 centimeters or meters, because in a coordinate plane, it is not centimeters or meters. Unless it tells you, but like if it's on a test and you write 9 centimeters, you get it wrong because it never told you this much was 1 centimeter. It's just units, yeah. So why don't we get rid of all this? Boom, boom. Oh, wait. Okay. I brought it back to life. Anyway, so we all know this is 9 now. And wait, why, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? So if you have it here, no, rectangle. Just say it's like this. I'm not, I just am assuming. So this is the width, and this is the length. And say this is the area. We're looking for what are we looking for? Yes, perimeter. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter is like the all around the shape or whatever it is. The perimeter of a circle is not the perimeter of circle. They call it the circumference. Yeah. And yeah, that's basically it. And for rectangles, especially rectangles, it's 2w plus 2l. What am I talking about? Yeah. So we take this w, we take this l, so that w represents width and l represents length. Yeah. What we need to do now is to look at the perimeter. The perimeter is this plus this plus this plus this. And the rectangle, including squares, where all the sides are the same. This is the same as this, and this is the same as this. So instead of writing w plus l plus l, we learned this in algebra. So it's like this is 2 times w, there's 2 w's, and this is like 2 times l. So I'll write it like this. Yes, and also we learned that we don't say, can I have 1 apple? We say, can I have an apple? Yeah, kind of like that. We don't need this. We can just write it, okay? So it's 2w plus 2l. If you wanted it to be a little more simpler, you could take the 2 out of here. So it would be 2w plus l. Like that. And then, what did we tell you about the perimeter? Is that it was 26 units. So this is 26 units. So let's write it here again. And we learned that if we divide the same numbers in both sides, it's the same thing. So divide the 2. Boom, boom. Okay? So w plus l width plus length is 13. Yay! How did we get from here to here? Amazing. Just amazing. Okay? So let's look at this carefully. We have this, whereas we already have this. So this equals to SL. So if we put this 9 in here, then what would the W be? Let's write this. I have no space left though. W plus L, which is 9, equals 13. So W plus 9 equals 13. Boom! W is 4. Yay! So now we need to erase all this because I have no space to write this. Anyways, yeah. So then it's at 4. So what we need to do now is find the width. Well, we already find the width, but then find another coordinate. Would be here, would be here. Why? Because this has to be 4, and this is minus 6, people. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then minus 6 plus 4. Why is this plus 4? It's because we're going up. Makes me think about the movie though. This is minus 2. So the y coordinate of this dot right here is minus 2. And this is collinear. So this x coordinate would be 1. So 1 point minus 2. And this would also be, what would it be? Minus 8, minus 2. Why? Same reasons. Same reasons. It's this and it's this and that is the same thing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We go up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. We go up so that we end up here, and we end up here, so that we can find the rectangle. But I didn't really see the rectangle, you know. I just want to see it. How would it look like? So we need to connect this, 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 and this. So it will look like that. How pretty. A rectangle. So it's set to what are the coordinates of its other two vertices. So what we need to do now is find them, which we already did here and there. So the answer would be one is this and the other one is this. Thank you.
Wait, it is not over yet.
Yo, so there's another one I wanted to show you guys. This is kind of like old thing, but I thought it would be really nice to just look over it. Not like look over it, but math is not really all about tests, you know. If you don't remember ratios now, then you're not gonna be able to use it in real life, you know. And then it will be good for you, cause like why you learn it, you know, to get good scores in a test. Well, you know, so this is everything about ratios. I made them. You know, the funny thing is if you take this and this and this, it's ear. I drew an ear here. And then anyways, I just wrote everything I could think of in here. So I thought this might be helpful to you, maybe in writing your math reflection or something. So yeah, and then you could like refer back to this when you are having maybe a retest or when you're studying ratios again later on. So I hope you are enjoying this, and thank you.